Hello students, welcome to TMPS online classes. Today in this video we are going to start a new chapter of science, that is chapter 4, adaptation in animals. So before knowing about adaptation you should know what is a habitat. Okay, habitat is the place, a natural place where an animal lives and grows. जैसे कि polar bears lives in cold places or cold regions. Okay, it is the place where it lives naturally. So this is the habitat of the polar bear. So the natural place where an animal lives and grows or survives is known as its habitat. जिस place पे कोई भी animal या living being रहता है naturally, उसे हम उसका habitat कहते हैं. You can see various habitats here, like polar region, water habitat, or the aquatic animals who lives in water, grasslands, deserts, forest. These are some places where animals lives and survives. Okay, now adaptation, the process in which an animal or plant changes itself according to its surrounding is known as adaptation. एडेप्टेशन क्या होता है? ये किसी भी लिविंग बीइंग की एबिलिटी होती है अपने आप को सराउंडिंग के अकॉर्डिंग या कंडीशंस के अकॉर्डिंग चेंज करने की. ओके, एडेप्टेशन इज़ नेसेसरी फॉर सर्वाइवल. अगर कोई लिविंग बीइंग अडेप्ट नहीं करेगी अपनी सराउंडिंग के हिसाब से, देन इट कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. सो एनिमल्स हैव टू अडेप्ट देमसेल्फ अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर सराउंडिंग टू सर्वाइव देयर. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज रीजन्स फॉर एडेप्टेशन इन animals on land. There are some animals who lives on land. There are some features which is necessary for them to survive, like to protect themselves from the enemies. There are some animals who have the ability to blend themselves in the surrounding. कुछ animals होते हैं जो अपने आप को surrounding में ब्लेंड कर लेते हैं, उसी में घुल मिल जाते हैं और हमें ईजिली नज़र नहीं आते हैं. दिस एबिलिटी इज़ नोन एज कैमोफ्लेज. ओके, लाइक द कैमेलियन. सबने गिरगिट देखा होगा. इट कैन चेंज इट्स कलर टू बिकम इनविजिबल टू अस. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट ईजी टू स्पॉट अ कैमेलियन बिकॉज इट कैन ब्लेंड इन द सराउंडिंग सो दैट इट कैन हाइड फ्रॉम इट्स एनिमीज. Animals like leopard or zebra can blend themselves in their surrounding due to their patterns. उनकी बॉडी पे जो पैटर्न्स होते हैं उसकी वजह से वो सराउंडिंग में ब्लेंड हो जाते हैं. There is an interesting insect known as stick insect. ओके, ये क्या करता है? ये इसकी जो शेप होता है बॉडी का वो एक प्लांट जैसा होता है. प्लांट की जो ट्विग होती है, टहनी होती है, वैसा उसका शेप होता है. एंड दैट इज़ वाई इट इज़ रियली डिफिकल्ट इट टू डिस्टिंग्विश फ्रॉम अ प्लांट. अगर ये प्लांट पे है तो आप इसे ईजिली डिस्टिंग्विश नहीं कर पाएंगे. सो इन दिस वे दीज एनिमल्स कैन हाइड फ्रॉम देयर एनिमीज एंड कैन प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी some animals who can move very fast. Okay, there are some animals who cannot blend themselves in the surrounding, but they can move very fast to escape from their enemies, like deer. Okay, if a deer sees a tiger or leopard or a carnivorous animal, it can move very fast. Ostrich, this is a bird but it cannot fly, but it can run very fast. So these animals have the ability to run fast to escape from their enemies. Next is some animals who have venom. Okay, venom means vish, zehar. Some animals have venom so that they can protect themselves, like snake or scorpions. They have venom. So in this way they protect themselves from their enemies. Next we have how the animals protect themselves from the harsh weather. Harsh weather means ऐसा weather जो आपके लिए harmful हो. Some animals cannot survive in cold weather, जैसे कि bear. It cannot survive in cold weather, so it goes for a long sleep in the winter season. This is known as hibernation, winter sleep. Okay, example is bear, frog, lizard. These all animals go to hibernation to protect themselves from the harsh weather. Okay, now we have let us see the reasons of adaptation in aquatic animals, animals that lives in water. Now, some animals like tortoise, crab, snails, these have shells on their body. Shells is a hard structure which protect the body of these animals. When they detect someone who can harm them, then they hide in these shells. Okay, in this way they protect themselves. You must have seen an animal known as porcupine. Okay, it has spikes on its body. Porcupine एक एनिमल होता है जिसकी बॉडी पे स्पाइक्स होती हैं. इन द लास्ट स्लाइड देयर वाज अ पिक्चर ऑफ porcupine. So these spikes protect the porcupine from its enemies. Now octopus is an aquatic animal which can spray poison on its enemies. Okay, and in this way it can escape from its enemies. Now next we have breathing in aquatic animals. They have adapted the breathing process also. Because they have to breathe in water, they have to take in the dissolved oxygen. So they have gills. Most of the aquatic animals have gills. These gills helps the aquatic animals to breathe in water. Okay. Next we have reasons for adaptation of animals in air. Okay. The animals who spend most of their time in air are known as aerial animals. Now these mostly they are birds. Now birds cannot survive in harsh conditions like very cold conditions. So they migrate from one place to another. They move from one place to another to survive. This is known as migration. Okay, birds have to avoid the harsh weather, so they move from one place to another. This process is called migration. So you must have seen various Siberian birds in Sangam. Okay, that is the process of migration. They come here in the season of winter and stay here because in Siberia the winter season is much more cold. जहाँ से ज़्यादा ठंडी वहाँ होती है, वहाँ वो सर्वाइव नहीं कर सकते, इसीलिए वो यहाँ मूव करते हैं क्योंकि यहाँ की कंडीशंस को वो सर्वाइव कर सकते हैं. ओके, some birds like Arctic tern, Siberian crane migrates. Butterfly, the monarch butterfly, this butterfly also migrates from one place to another to avoid the harsh weather. Next we have adaptation in birds. Some birds have to catch their prey. Prey means उनका खाना, उनका भोजन. ठीक है, so they have to catch their prey. For this they should have a very sharp eyesight. उनकी आई साइट बहुत ही शार्प होनी चाहिए ताकि वो अपने खाने को पकड़ सकें. एंड दे हैव वेरी sharp claws also. You can see the picture of eagle here. It has a very good eyesight and it has sharp claws through which it can catch its prey. So today we have learned how different animals in different regions have adapted themselves to their surrounding. That's all for today class. Thank you.